Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Easy Learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, planning your career is not an easy task, but we can reduce the distress by making a proper choice. If we do what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. There are so many factors which can help us in choosing a career or to make us a successful person, such as skills, interest, abilities, personality traits, demand, financial gains, family, profession, future prospects. Friends, what is career? Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. They all have natural talents. So, if we want to be a successful person, we should have desire. We should see a dream. We should have a vision. We should think about how to achieve success in life. Every person has natural talent. If we use that talent to set our goal in life, we can easily get success in life. We shall not achieve our goals if we do not take action to achieve them. To achieve success in life, we should set a goal. We have to plan properly to achieve that goal. We should collect information or knowledge about that, and we have to develop confidence within ourselves. Without hard work, we can't get anything. So, we have to work hard for our success. We should develop dedication, passion, sacrifice, and perseverance. We should get proper guidance to achieve success in life. We have to follow examples of successful people. We should never give up and we have to chase our dreams. So, while chasing our dreams, the first thing comes in our mind, that is chasing goal. Can you tell me what is chasing goals or what is setting goals? Okay, let me tell you one example. Your goal this year is to successfully pass from secondary school, right? Setting goals may appear easy, but for some it is quite challenging. Fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goals. After all, one has to decide what one wants to achieve in the end. To accomplish goals, experts recommend a 5-step approach. Friends, you can see the title of this lesson. What is the title here? Be smart. And the word smart is written very differently. Any guesses what is the meaning of that word? Smart goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Some people find setting goals a challenge. Can you tell me what is the reason behind it? The reason is fear of failure. Fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goals. So, setting goals is a very important thing to get success in our life. While setting a goal, we should be a smart. What is meaning of smart here? Smart means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. In the word smart, the first letter is S. S stands for specific. So, what is specific here? A specific area for improvement. We should know, we should identify where we have to improve ourselves. For example, if it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? We should know about that. Okay. Second letter. What is the second letter here? Second letter in the SMART word is M. M stands for measurable. Quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. So, to track our progress, we need a benchmark. For example, while playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. In the same manner, we should know while setting a goal what is our exact role and what is our position in that goal, what we have to do, and how we have to improve ourselves. The next letter in the SMART word is A. A means what? A means achievable. Goals should be achievable. Setting goals that can be completed in the designated period of time. So here we have to set such a goal that can be achieved easily. For example, as students, we can't become a president or prime minister but can hope to reach those heights in future. Next letter in the SMART word is R. R stands for realistic. Our goal should be realistic. That means we should have a clear idea in our mind that how much time it will take to complete our goal. Last letter in the SMART word is T. T stands for time bound. A time limit should be set to achieve our goals. Time limit will help us to be focused towards our goal. Friends, to be successful person in life, we should know that if we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out, right? You reap as you sow. So here, setting goals is very important thing. Goals should be achievable, okay? And a specific field or area has to be fixed to achieve that goal. A time limit should be set to achieve goal, right? Friends, you know that hard work is the key to our success, right? So, to achieve success in life, we should give our 100%. We have to give input as input is equal to output, right? So, we have to give our 100% to get the or to achieve our goal. We have to work hard. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity to work put in. So friends, setting goals is very important thing in getting success in our life. Okay. So if you want to be a champion in your life, you should set your goal at first and you have to chase that goal. You have to work hard, right? In this lesson, Be Smart, writer has given us some guidelines, that is specific guidelines to get the success in our life. If we want to be a successful person, a successful professional in our life, we should follow these guidelines. The first thing is to set a goal. Okay, a specific field, area has to be fixed to achieve that goal. A benchmark is needed to track progress. We should know what is our exact role, what is our position in that goal to achieve the success in our life. Goals should be achievable. We should know what is the exact time, what is the time period will take to complete our goal. Often these goals may act like stepping stones to help meet broader goals that further define a career. Being realistic will make it easy to be successful at attaining goals. If defensive and not aggressive, the goal perhaps lacks realism. We must have the clear picture in our mind and must have the ability to adhere that picture. A time limit should be fixed to achieve our goal. For example, if we want to reduce weight, We should know how much time it will take to get that goal. Consistency should be there in our action, and we should give ourselves a deadline to complete that work. Success is a walk in the dark, finding the right footing, precisely mastering the skills, and getting to the next place. All depend on how we approach and tackle the problem. So, we should tackle our problem very correctly, and we should give our best. The best way to get from where we are to where we want to be is to find the footing of our next step. When we take the next step, it should support and hold us without a crack. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity of work put in. So we should give good results. So we should give a good quality with good quantity. So friends, to achieve success in life, you should set a goal. You should plan about that. You should have confidence. You should do hard work with your perseverance, and you have to get good guidance from your elders, friends, teachers. You should dedicate it towards your goal with your passion, sacrifice, and never give up attitude in your life. Okay, so if you want to be a successful person in your life, if you want to achieve your goal, you should make a study timetable and follow it regularly. So friends, what are you thinking about? Just get set go and set your goal first. Plan it properly and be successful person in your life. Follow the examples of successful people and get success in your life with proper guidance. Good luck!